scramble life we see. This be where you find your peace. From confusion to release, you are seen.
This with 10,000 people watching, but we're all now, and I'm singing the song too. What are you feeling?
Yes, anima Afrika mahle utani bantu bomquba igama lami ndingusilindile umampinga umbhalo kaqosha into omntwana ingabi noboya ifuna bantwana ifuna abadala kuthiwa phumani bantwana ndifuna udlala nonyoko. Very romantic that one. Kuthi ngathi rhwelele ayifuni bantwana ifuna abadala. So some beautiful lady with a beautiful voice, beautiful craft. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
We're just gonna have fun.
Yeah.
Tell me who's Kay.
Okay, my name is Khanyisile Tiki.
Yes.
I'm from the Eastern Cape originally. Ndikhulele khona ke eQonce.
Okay.
So ndikhule eQonce ndafunda khona ndaye Beaufort University. Then ugqiba kwam ndazixela uba jonga ndiye eJozi because music has been something that has been in my heart for a long time. And I used to sing na worship team mosecaweni, and my whole family, like it's a family of musicians because sonke siyakwazi ukucula.
Okay.
And my grandfather was actually a musician. Kwakuthiwa wasweleka ke. So we inherited that music in us. So I grew up ngendibukela Brenda Fassie, yabona le Mathosa.
Yes.
Yabona, ndi look up to them. So I knew that uphupha lam ndizalifeza at the end of the day. And ndaqonda ndiyoyilanda eJozi. Yayiva, Johannesburg.
Hold it right there. I'm very curious. Ndingwakutsolo ke mna ke. Just know that. Bazothetha isiXhosa ndiyazi uba undithetha isiZulu. It's a long story. This is where we're going.
Yes.
You're a person okhulele emculweni.
Yes.
And it's something that we see kwamanye ama-families. Xa kukho the gatherings.
Yes.
Kukho la malume uthwele ibotyo phaa ecaleni. Uyabona besithi yena umkheyana mani khawuthi hawi khawutsho nomnye ngafu uyayibona obharethi yam nomakazi phayana uyabona lebegade izityo uyasuka, and then it becomes a beautiful thing for noba bexatyanwa ke ngoku umculo. How has it been for you istructure ekhaya ongumntana okhulela eQonce oyintombazana?
Okay. So ndikhuliswe ngabazali bam, mamam notatam, and I had a good childhood. Abazali bam bebezama, umama belinesi,
Okay.
and my dad was prison warder. So both of them, like, they were trying. I had a good life and they love me like Bendi princess, basically. Daddy's little girl. And then at the age of 9, my dad passed away and everything changed because mama had to take irresponsibility ke ngoku alone. And ndim nobhuti wam. I have a big brother, ubhuti Buntu. I love my brother. So wasikhulisa ke umama yedwa. Remember linesi ke ngoku, uyinesi.
Hours she has to put them emsebenzini.
She was working nights. So at some point I felt alone because my dad's not there, my mom is working. Sometimes ke besisiwa kumakhulu, you know, when my mom is busy. Ancedisa khona umakhulu, but I just felt like I was alone, yabona. And
Uphi ke ngoku ubhuti Buntu in a process?
ubhuti Buntu sevarsity, mna I'm still young.
Get it.
Yabona, he's in varsity. And there was a cousin of mine who ended up staying with us, Usiya. Wahlala nathi. So my mom used to go to courses, asishiye sobabini, age 15, 16 ke ngoku. But music has been something that helped me through, yes. It has been like the source of my strength, basically, because having that dream, having that vision kept me pushing. Uyabo. And yeah, that's how I grew up. And then I went to varsity. Evarsity ke hayi ke bekumnandi, ayazi varsity ke. Oh, besingalali kumandi. At some point I realized, hey, I'm losing focus a little bit. Yabona, dakhe ndazibuyisa because we used to go out a lot nechomi.
Okay.
Dakhe ndazibuyisa, and then even in PE evarsity I used to gig, like sing covers, Brenda Fassie, yabo, songs that I know.
Yeah,
Old school songs,
Bozonke.
man and performer ke kwezohuntshu uyabona. So bensaziwa as umntu othanda umculo more than anything,
Yeah.
uyabo. And then when I finished varsity yam, I told myself bandiza eGauteng ke ngoku to follow my dreams. I actually came here to come to Idols. Yeah. That was like my dream. I was like, ndiya kwi-Idols.
You're the second person who's telling me this, but before we go there, you are a 9-year-old who's been a princess at home, who literally had, I don't want to say everything, but it was easy for you to be a child, isn't it?
Yes.
Umuntu that now is a songwriter. That one I know. You're a singer. You're a creative.
Yes.
Besides you writing down your feelings, did you get a platform to express yourself through your mom, your grandma, your brother, or it was just you and your books?
It was me and my books and writing in my books. And I don't blame Mama because wayesebenzela, you understand? She was trying to give us the life.
Yeah.
And ebeyedwa. So even her going to courses, improve his skills zakhe, uyabo. So it was me and my books, me and the TV, ndijayiva jonga sana. Bensazi uba umdanso.
Upumama ngoku.
Umama ukhona ngoku usebenza eclinic, at least she's there like every day now.
Yeah, man.
Ukhona, but use Eastern Cape.
She's calling. Ngicela umbize nje ngikuthethe naye nje just for 2 seconds. Yes.
Dimphone.
No.
Oh, in the camera.
Tell her what you want to say to
Mom, I love you and I thank you for sacrificing for me because there's a lot of sacrifices you made. Nange education yam uniphila ubomi, and I just want to say thank you, girl. You did this.
Thank you, man. So, Kunolevu Mathosa, that's where the dancing comes from. And Brenda Fassie was versatile as well.
Yes.
We're talking about Abantu, Aba, people that even today, when you talk about them, everybody like, no one can be compared to them. And then Uno Tamkulu, who was now with people that were known, who was a creative. Did you feel about him being a person that he was, it opened some doors for you to be recognized as well? Or maybe he gave you an idea what how's the industry like?
Unfortunately, I didn't even get to meet him. Like when I realized there was a person, he already passed away.
Okay.
But history, obviously my grandmother used to tell us the stories because why told me your Stompy Mav, your Gibson Kent, there's a lot of artists and he was also a playwright as well. Like he was really a creative. And like I believe that undinike inheritance of the gift and the talent of the arts, that is what I held onto into his memory. Yes, and the industry is not easy. It's not easy, especially I would say Eastern Cape.
Okay.
Yeah, understand. So as an artist, you need to be open to take risks, and socialize and get into new spaces. Because if Eastern Cape.
And then what is it with I'm sorry, I'm gonna ask this question now. And the nicest thing is that I always ask this question to relevant people.
Yes.
Do you think that our government, more especially Eastern Cape, they ignore art industry, yama creatives? Because that's what most of, even in Gauteng, we wish they could invest more into
the arts.
And Eastern Cape, they say it's even worse. Eastern Cape is brilliant. Give it anything. And everything. But when it comes to having resources, everybody ufunuza egoli.
I feel like it's 50-50.
Okay.
Government naye indima yakhe akayidlali kwi-artists.
Okay.
But nathi as artists, we don't actually know how to.
Okay.
To connect to the government, to ask for a funding. So I believe nathi funeka siyenze a lot of research and take initiative.
Okay.
Yabo.
Okay.
As the artist, singazenzeli nje umculo and stay.
Okay.
Yabo. sikhuphe
You need
nje.
to put yourself
You need
out
to
there.
research, you need to connect, yabona, talk to people, ask questions, yabo, for izinto zakho zenzeke.
But now remember, all of those things, they require money.
They do.
So do you think most of people mhlambe abade bafikele lapho bafikela khona because of they don't have means to fund those things?
Definitely. Definitely. And enye into funeka sikhumbule ukuthi music, yes, siyamthanda, but you need to be doing something else on the side. You need something stable as well. You need something that's going to fund your music so that you can invest in yourself, yabona, and push yourself. Because funeka naxa usiya ku-government ube ngumntu at least yabona owaziwayo, at least by the community. You understand? Funeka uziqalele nawe kubona uba userious.
So in a nutshell, italent yakho uzalwa nayo uyofanayo.
Uyayibona?
Doesn't matter iba seasoned nini.
Uyayibona?
But you need to have your books right.
Yes.
You need to do something. It doesn't noba skill or something.
Noba skill.
Yeah,
Noba
yeah.
skill, education or a skill. Do something that is going to provide for you as well, because noba unetalente but bawulambile apha esuswini uzawucula njani.
Oh, sana. Thank you for that.
Mentally, you need to be healthy as well. So, funeka uzigade as an artist, because this is very important. Mental health is important, because lo talente yakho ezoya ndawo, if you are not mentally secure now, awukho right. Uyayibona laa nto?
And the purpose of music is to heal, isn't it?
Yeah, understand.
How are you going to heal if you're not healed?
If you're not healed, because if you are not healed, you will have a different perception of things. You will think abantu they are against you, this. Senje uzawubona nezinto mhlambi abanye abantu angaziboniyo, because you are negative mhlambi apha in your mental.
Yeah.
Yes. So you need to keep your energy positive as an artist. Make sure you protect your energy, because most people out there are anxious and they are fearful and they are, baphila ku-negative.
Spectrums and all that.
So wena as the light, njengoba uyiphiwe le gift, funeka uyinkcenkceshele. Uyayibona? You have to uyinkcenkceshele and work on yourself, because life akakho easy. Let me tell you that.
Child.
Akakho kind. Life akakho fair, akakho kind. It's not easy. But you need to find yourself as an artist and protect your energy. That's the most important thing, is that protect your energy. Mna ke ndibelieve kuThixo. Akekho omnye umuntu ondinceda njengoThixo. Like, I pray, I fast, for everything that I do, I put God first, because God can see beyond what I see. He knows beyond what I know. You understand? Mna I could fear mhlambi ukuza nalapha ku-podcast ngenxa ye-nerves.
Yes, of
Zange
course.
ndayenza. But uThixo undiphile i-authority to do everything apha emhlabeni. You understand? So my confidence comes from God.
I love what you're saying, talking about God. Thixo uyasiprotect. Uyanibalisela uba eVarsity you would go perform eRhontshini. You're a beautiful girl. You're smart. You've got beautiful aura. You've got beautiful smile.
Thank you.
And not everybody opayanoba intentional. How did you keep yourself away from everything from grape to be what is this word, when people they use you for their own needs, and then baglaqaze, all those things. How did you survive all of that as a young girl? Because your reasoning now and then they were different.
I don't know how to call it, but it was the grace of God. Ubalapa, even being here, because siyangena emlilweni. Siyangena emlilweni, akuthiwanga kuzaba lula or asizongena emlilweni, but emlilweni it's to refine you. Igolide funeka itshiswe to be refined. So I did go through izinto ezinjalo, incident, especially varsity. Varsity, and as a young girl, you are not equipped for that life, for the unexpected things. awuziboni wena you are chasing fun, you have friends, it's a new environment, freedom abazala bekho uyayiva.
Yes.
So izinto ziyenzeka.
Yeah.
Siswam, that's why in the city it's by God's grace that I am here, because if it weren't for God I wouldn't be here. There are incidents that happened ever city and you know,
definitely, yeah.
but I'm here today because of the grace of God. I met bad friends, you know, bad friends that set me up sometimes. You know, especially if you are someone with a good spirit, you will tend to attract these people because they see the good in you.
Yeah.
So they see you so useful. You understand? So they will set you up, they will use you and take and take and take. And you know what? I thank God that I went through that. Those challenges were worth it, because I wouldn't be this person that I am today. I am awake now. I know who I am and I can discern, because besendile kwelaqala ndiyalazi elaqala. Uyayibona? Akuthiwa zizokwenzeka izinto, but we keep pushing. Keep pushing. Forgive yourself for mistakes in the past, because sometimes you trust abantu befuneka ungabathembanga. Uyayibona? Uthixo akunika signs, hints, red flags nazi awumameli, you are still trusting this person. Uyayibona? And then bad things happened, but forgive yourself. You need to be able to forgive yourself and forgive others.
Yeah.
For your health as well. Forgiveness is something that is very big. You know, because umntu is there to teach you. I believe that everyone is there to teach you, whether they're doing bad to you or good to you. They are there to teach you. So I believe sonke in the universe, we are linked. It's a synergy. Like, uthixo wenze ngamabomba wonke umuntu aplay indima yakhe. So I don't have any regrets. I've grown and I've matured, and I believe this is the right time for me to win and to actually make it in this industry, because ngoku dijimile.
Ukuba bafazi, it's my 10 era.
Yeah, my season yam lena bafazi.
Yeah, you want that way. Man, you know the nicest things about such sits. The podcast out of 10, I think you told her 2%. Not even 2. Okay, out of 100. I would say 5% of women.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey,
so these are the things that I enjoy, and I wish most of women can just let go, man.
Put yourself out there.
Put yourself out there. We understand, and we need people like you. Because I struggle with forgiver, but I let go. And those two are different.
They're different.
Yeah, understand. Mina, I'm good with letting go. Yeah, understand. But it is what it is.
I'm moving on.
But I always fail to revisit
land.
No. I just let go. And listening to you saying you need to forgive for your mental health, for your health and everything. Thank you for that.
It's very important, because holding a grudge, nendo zakho uzazibona zingahambi kahle bomini. Forgive that person and wish them well. Thank God for the lesson that you've learned through that person. Because there's something that you needed to learn. And sometimes when you don't learn, things keep repeating.
Yeah,
understand?
Ooh, I hear, because I didn't find closure.
Lesson. You have to grasp a lesson from Lando and forgive that person. I can't do wrong on what you let go.
Yeah.
Because you need to protect your energy. That's very important.
Coward like that.
That's very important.
Yeah.
But forgive within your heart and let go. Wish them well. Wish them well. Because you know who you are.
Maybe with that, I need to be intentional. Because now saying it while you don't mean are two different things.
Yeah,
because I cannot say, oh, I wish you well. But I pull me kwinzonzo bila. Yeah, you understand.
You know how you can be intentional. Think of it as all of us siyasazalwa, right?
Yeah.
Sakhula.
Mhm.
And we've been through a lot ekukhuleni kwethu. So laa mntu ukhubekisileyo is broken.
Mm.
They are broken. You don't know izinto agqithe kuzo laa mntu to come and hurt you. Broken people hurt others.
Hurt people.
And they become villains. You understand? So mcingele laa mntu. That's how you forgive and let go. Because only God knows what that person has been through. Only God knows the history. And uThixo uyamthanda laa mntu. Make no mistake. God loves a person as they are.
Mm.
So you'll be holding your things back because ujaja laa mntu. Ubambe igrudge kulaa mntu. Uyayibona loo nto leyo? Then ubambezela wena because that person unoThixo naye umthandayo.
Mm.
You know? That's how you let go.
Thank you. Umntanami emalangeni una 14 ntombazana. Unisendela iscript Psalms 23.
That's my favorite.
If I'm not mistaken, I think it's that one. Uthi mama umthandazo nomthandazo omtshoyo. Ungalibali uthi inene okuhle kuyondilandela
Forever. For the rest of your life.
I was like, what do you mean? Athi you've been through things. It's about time that you say ukuba inene okuhle kuyondilandela. So listening to you right now, talking about ezinye patterns, if you haven't dealt with them, you need to have a lesson kuyo, grasp it, and then know that from now on, this is not what I want. This is what I want.
Nice. Yeah, you born.
And ndifuna okuhle kodwa kunilandelayo.
And that comes with forgiving. Because remember, we are all not perfect.
Yeah.
Sometimes siyamkhubekisa omnye umuntu singayazi noyazi sikhubekeke ngolife. So you expect God to forgive you, but it's hard for you to forgive
and
others.
And nalo mntu lo ndiye expect uba makanixolele.
Naye.
Yeah, man.
So forgiving is just, it's healthy for you. And it's for you. It's for you. The other person will move on with their lives.
And it's so easy for me to say to another person, but yazi lo mntwana umkwatele for sure apha khona uhle kude
uyayiva uqhubekeka no life
Yes,
and you'll be stuck wedwa bitter wedwa.
Uyayibona loo nto like when you think mancinga ngo-K, my world changes.
Uyayiva.
Abanga u-K apha khona ngeli xesha kwi-podcast right now.
Ndijonge.
Cute. Yeah, I understand. Yes. So now let's talk about girl ukhwela ibhasi eyabonwa ngu-Amanda Black uthi I'm on my way to Jaws.
Yes.
Ndiyoyika, chasing my dream. Bayile. Uza kwi-idols isitswiriri sikathini. And for sure, ngelo xesha elo zazikabi because digital platforms uba you record and then send to them. Funeka uyofoleza line.
And ndaqonda ndizawuyakulela apha eJoburg.
Tell me about it, because it's not like abayifike Eastern Cape.
Bayaya ePE.
Yes.
Bayaya ePE.
Why Joburg?
I told myself I'm moving to Joburg. Andinamsebenzi andinantoni.
Okay.
Ndicele iitshomi zam ndicela ndawuhlala. Uyayiva?
Uthini umama?
I-idols phofu zingomso.
Uthini umama?
Umama said follow your dreams. My mom is so supportive. When I was in before varsity, she was like, get your education first.
Yeah, of course.
Get your education first,
Yeah.
and then ugraduate kwam. What? At least mntanam ufundile ngoku.
Yes.
You can go and start your
and
life.
it's okay, Sam. We can talk about your profession. I mean, we have varsity. Let's talk about it so that you can tell another person,
Yes.
another creative. But it's okay to get your
It's
books
okay.
right. We know you've got that talent, but
So I'm in the IT industry.
Okay.
I did software development esikolweni. I did also IT support eVarsity, and I'm currently working as a web designer. Web
still
development.
my haircut, guys.
Aibo!
My haircut. I'm joking. Still in the future AI
Uyayiva.
or system development jonga ngoba vele this is the future. Mamele san IT girl. It girl.
Yes, clock it.
It girl, not IT. It girl. Villa. Yes. Yeah.
So ndaza eJoburg ndingenando ndize ngebags zam qha.
uze kwi-idols or uzixelela uba uzokhempa?
Jonga ndizomuva kaloku ndileqa ii-idols apho ndileqa khona but ndizixelela ubana andijiki.
But now, didn't you learn evasithi uba friends cannot be trusted?
Kaloku I'm still taking le nto bendiyithetha ndisithi if you don't learn izinto zawuphindaphinda.
Ndikuvile.
Uyayiva?
Ndikuvile ke ngoku.
Hayi, ndafika eJoburg ndigalelekile. The next day ndaya kwi-idols. Unfortunately, they didn't take me.
Yayinguseason bani?
Oh, I don't remember now.
Which year was this?
It was 2019.
Okay.
Yes, and I remember it was in the beginning of the year.
Yeah. Vele ayenze njalo. Qala ekuqaleni.
Ekuqaleni konyaka. But they didn't take me. Hayi, zange ndiphele moya.
Ithini emotion that time? Were you confident that they're going to take you? Did you experience as others? Kufuneka belele apha because abanye bathi baye balale phayana and all that.
I just waited the whole day.
And then when they didn't take you, how did you feel?
I was hurt. Yo, ndane-stress. Qanda, you know what? Sawuphuma manetshomi sam ndiseJoburg. In fact, xa ndijonga ndibheka ndiqonda hayi man, ndiseJozi ndizaphinda ndizame. Uyayiva? Ndizaphinda ndizame onyaka baphelanga. So ndahlala ke netshomi yam uSibulele. She passed away last year. Rest in peace to her. Ndahlala naye and we had a lot of fun ke. Yo, apha eJoburg we had a lot of fun. Then I moved again because of work, because I got a job after a month.
Hey, unelaka. Ungekabakruqula abantu.
Hey, ndaqala kwi-sales. Yo.
Yambona ke lo godo uthetha ngaye?
I-sales.
Odd hours, commission-based.
Commission-based. Akho basic. Ndazama. Phofu ndifandwa ngubani? Ndifandwa ngumama.
Oh.
Umama wam guys usebenzile. Hayi guys, yo. Umama undibhatalela irent because ndiyancedisa utshomi wam ke ngoku.
Okay.
Groceries.
The late.
Yes.
What happened to her? Do you want to...
I don't want to
No, don't. Senjuba wagula, yayingozi.
Wagula kokwabo though.
Okay.
PE. She's from PE.
Okay.
So I knew her before I came to Joburg.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So besiphi kanene?
Yes, umama umureki.
Hayi kumama bendincedisa. Ndasebenza ke kwi-sales. It did not work out because firstly I did not have sales experience. That was my first time. But what I grasped from that was customer service, like speaking to people, basically.
Yeah.
Those were the skills
you were polished now. You're getting polished on that in that department. Yes. You know now, confidence of talking to people enhanced. Love it.
And uzawumane reject. You understand?
And another thing kule minyango sazoyihamba girl, as polished, beautiful as you are and educated, not all doors are gonna open.
And I learned that rejection, redirection, that's what I take it as. So now ngoku kuba no reject people ndiyayazi uThixo uyandidirector ipath yam. So uThixo wayengandifuni kule indawo. Uyayibona? That's how I take life. Uyayibona? Ndihamba nabahambayo, ndihamba nee-waves, ndimova, ndihamba noThixo. Uyayibona? So andazenza ke sales that month. So ndaqonda yazi yintoni kuphela imali transport apha ndimophelayo. I'm not making money. I didn't get paid kulo nyanga because I did not make sales. Ana experience kule nto.
Funeka ukherile.
So
funeka ube beautiful.
Hey, nakube mhle kaloku sales is about like funeka uzipresente before speaking. You need to be presentable.
Angeke uthengise iColgate unukumlomo.
Hayi njani?
Uzongixolela uba izondenza ndinuke fresh njani?
So I was applying actually ngoku ndisebenza pha as sales. Ndafumana nyani ke ngoku kwi-marketing agency ese-Midrand. I got a job. So that's when I moved from my friend's place. I moved to Midrand because it was far. I used to take 2 taxis.
So benihlala phi before?
Up at Randburg.
Okay.
Yes, we were staying at Randridge Park.
Okay.
So I moved because the transport, I was taking 2 taxis and bekunzima nje.
Yeah.
Uyayibona, and asebenza ke as a web developer. Simpoti Digital. Yo, hayi ke phana bandifundisa yonke into like these small companies, they teach you a lot. it's good to start kwindawo encinci.
Yeah, because they as hungry as you are, trust me. Nabo you understand uba nje bekupolisha nabo they pushing their thing ngawe
Yayibona, and there were points where I felt tired, but I got the experience of actually doing everything in the company. Bekuthiwa xa kusenziwa i-graphic design ngapha ndipha, xa kusenziwa Facebook, ii-posters Facebook ndipha, web design, SEO, Google Ads.
which now you would say babek exploit.
Uyayibona, ngelaa xesha I felt exploited. Hayibo, ndisebenza nzima apha. But when I looked at it after, that environment and inspired me to open my own business. You know.
Never girls, bafazi. Ayabo indoda maskini mama. I hope you're taking a thing or two.
So before sifike ke kwishishini, I met a guy.
Okay.
Yeah, yazazi ke into seRhawutini mos ndibana nomfana. Kwamandi ke nomfana, manje siya kwamfana. Hey! Nasi sisu ke ngoku.
Jesus Lord.
Ndayo, ndiyoyika. Umama.
Wena kaloku uthe uze emsebenzi ufike wasebenza wena.
Ndisebenze ndagqithisela.
Into namehla.
Ndisebenze ndagqithisela.
Nani?
Nasi sisu ke ngoku ndisebenza kule small company.
Unexesha elingakanani ngoku seJoburg? Which year was this?
It's still 2019. Same
Just
year.
COVID, almost COVID time.
Before COVID.
Yes, that's what I'm. Yeah, before.
Just before. So ngoku ndinesisu.
So yonke le nto enzeka ngonyaka omnye.
1 year.
Hayi ntombi ndiyakujaja.
1 year.
Hayi bo ntombi.
BendinguSpeed.
Yani nani like what's happening uba mawuthathe itotorozi iuno ke straight to Ferrari.
Hey, kuthiwa love is blind. Yo, ndandimthanda umfana hey, ndandingafuna uthini. Ndimthanda umfana. So when I got pregnant, we decided to move in together. Ndaqonda hayi man.
Ewe man, family structure. Remember now, there's something you said earlier.
Yes.
About ukukhula komuntu.
Mm.
You saw your mom and dad being in love. Wakhawuleza wathatha utata. Right? So now usafuna wena esa structure mama nomntana.
That family.
I hear you.
But izinto kazihambi njengokuba uplanile. Ulife yamazi mos unpredictable.
Yeah.
Uyayibona. So saqhuba ke nomfana after we moved in. Hey.
And ni move in during COVID time.
Yes, during COVID time.
And that's the time the world is quiet.
Uyayibona.
And when the world is quiet, it's just you and your thoughts. Now your thoughts, they are tagged along with this person. You see their faces every day. You stuck with them.
Pregnant ke hormones. Andinafamily eRhawutini ngelo xesha. Ichomi yami ikhona, but andinafamily.
Umadha uyazi uba wena wenze umtshato we-Afrikaans eGoli undocumented. Le sizodila ngayo ngoku after mabahambe undocumented wives. Beyazi umama, you are there.
Hey. Ndaqonda, you know what, mandisijace because inkulu kunam le. Of course. I need the support at the end of the day. I need my family. Uyayibona?
Ubingeyothini pregnant.
And ke ngoku sendina umsebenzi. Uyayibona? Hayi ndamxelela umama, hayi ke mama kunjena and ndimove in ke notata umntana. Wathi hayi umama, it's okay mntanam, as long as usebenza uzawukwazi mos uzisapota kwezinye izinto. As long as you are done with your education, uyaphangela ngokumdala ngokuntombi yam.
Umabani mama?
Mamthembu.
Mamthembu ngicela adopta na mama. Cela swiri na mama.
The sweetest.
We need. I was telling Uta KM last week, but you know one thing people don't understand how much we value support yabazali bethu more than any. Abanye abantu nje sebeza ne cherry on top kodwa ba umama uyibhakile le cake wathi mntanami, these ingredients they will build your body strong. Nokufika ne cherry yakho ayizukwenza anything that my mother has done ba mayinambitheke le cake. I wish they could understand all parents.
Ayikho efana neka mama. Isupport yomzali is so important. It keeps you going now, where you keep on believing in yourself. So umama wamke accept the situation. I moved in with a guy, and then inside the relationship ke ngoku sendihlala naye, I found out abusive lo mntu.
Yeah, ke Jonas.
Bekumandi kaloku before. Andithi besivideo callana,
Ewe kaloku.
sitakelana, bekumnandi uyayiva.
Kaloku uthi mnandi xa ibiwa.
Hey, ndamuva in ngoku umntu uveza i-true colors.
UnguJonas.
And unguJonas because he was cheating.
Kaloku noJonas uyabetha.
Hey.
So nalo ndizamfaka napha.
Uchitha wena ubethe mna njani?
Usenesisu.
Dinesisu. At that point I had no one. Like literally no one.
Were you, as much as you knew that your mom was supportive, were you scared to tell her what you were going
I was
through?
scared because I'm pregnant and I know my mom. My mom's about to get out of the relationship. Ngoku,
And
get out.
uyathanda, usamthanda.
Uyayiva. And in Petro mntana yakhe ngoku ndizawuthini. I felt so trapped at that point in my life. I felt trapped.
It's so crazy how we stay in these toxic relationships with unethemba loba uzotshintsha. Benethemba uzobona uba ndiyamthanda. Oh umntana uzothi umntana xa ikhona atshintshe minds.
Yo. And there's nothing you can do to change another person.
True.
Awungothixo, nguThixo yedwa okwaziyo ulungisa i-broken soul because that person was also broken. That's what I realized after getting over the relationship. So it was just two broken people basically. Because nam
Collision yodwa.
uyayiva. From uluza utatam
Yes.
to varsity, izinto zenzeke varsity. So self-esteem was low. Like yonke into yam nje yayingekho right at that point in my life.
Yazi uthini Chris Brown?
Uthini?
Uthi I've been looking for you in other men, in other girls' faces or men's faces or fathers. I've been
Yo.
looking. So when you were
That
looking for your
love.
father's face in other men's faces.
Yes. Yinyani leyo because I've always wanted le love. Kukho le nto ishotayo.
The daddy issues.
Uyayiva.
Mm.
Daddy issues kaloku san. So I carried on that relationship, okay? Kumane kusenzeka incidents. There was an incident aqonda mandimxelele umama ngoku because if kwenzeka into
Awoyiki ulinyalelo ke ngulo mntana baby
Ndiyoyika.
girl.
Ndiyoyika.
Oh, sithando sam.
ndibiza nefamily yakhe at this point, but this is happening. Bazame kuthetha naye ifamily yakhe. And I remember this one day, he bruised me up. Ndizawuya nasemsebenzini, and at work they saw the bruises and they were like, hayi sakubhukushela i-BNB, awuzokwazi ubuyela phaa.
Okay.
Ngubani ukwenze le nto sixelele, do you want to open
And
a
you're still
case?
protecting him.
Hayi sana, ndamkhusela umntu.
Can I ask you something?
Yes,
This person was speaking the same language as yours.
yes.
Okay. A reason that I'm asking, sometimes andithi uba yile nto uba qonda uba okay mhlawumbi kuba ne-language barrier okanye kuba ne-traditional barrier okanye yabona nje. So I just wanted to understand that part uba abanye abantu kaloku baye basola uba kaloku le nto uba sikhule i-tribe yethu different or
The tribe was
whatsoever.
different, but we could hear each other. He was,
Okay, that's what
Yes.
yeah, igqibile.
he's from Zim.
Okay.
And he's Ndebele.
Okay.
So ndiyasiva isiNdebele, uyasiva isiXhosa sam.
No,
so-
mna bendifuna ukwazi uba ungumXhosa na.
No.
Because now, this is what the other time I discovered,
Mm.
Lento of not dating within.
Mm.
Every time when something happens, they will be like, mina abafazi bale ekhaya kithi angeke bakwenze lokho okwenzayo. Thina abafazi baseBotswana, let's say the guy is from Botswana.
Yeah.
Umfazi waseBotswana wamtswana bengeke niphendule ngale ndlela oniphendula ngayo. So that's
Definitely there was those differences. Definitely.
okay.
Hayi, yiyo leyo ichanile.
That is why I was asking that, because it always play a factor as well.
It does.
Yeah, because
Hayi, it
there's
does.
someone who said to me, no, a reason yokuba umuntu wakho angakumameli okanye abe ne-culture shock. Yes, that's the term.
Mm.
Culture shock, it's because bona banalento uba umfazi babethe makahlale kwesi situlo aphume yena ahambe noba angahamba 5 days uzofika ehleli kwesi situlo.
Who?
Yabona?
Mm.
So
Ndabe ndimtsha kaloku nakule nto mna.
Yeah.
I did not know and I did not expect, because that has never happened to me before,
I
you know.
hear you.
but ndaqhubekeka kwi-relationship because bendimthanda ke umfana saqhuba. So going back to the company thing, umntanam ndamthiya uLiyanda, which means growth. Liyanda. So I named my side hustle or my company after him, Liyanda Digital. Uyayibona? So nokuba nomntana at that point in my life, God had a reason. God had a purpose. It pushed me to start something for myself as well. And something that I want to leave as a legacy. Uyayiva? Ewe bendikwi-situation, but there was this hope and denial, but okay, I'm starting something. I'm doing something ngobomi bam. Ngapha, baby daddy lona yo wayendidepressa ngapha.
But you wamshiya.
On the other side.
Wamshiya.
Ndimshiye after 3 years.
Ayisentshana lento lo muntu usanomshiya musinomuntu. Oh gosh.
So ndamshiya 2023. It was my last straw. Ndaqonda, you know what? Ngoku umntana ukhona ngoku and is doing the same thing.
Yeah.
It's not healthy for the child.
Of course.
So I decided, you know what? Let me go. This is not for me. And I'm glad I went out of that relationship.
Didn't you have a more fear of an unknown type of the vibes?
I did.
Okay.
I did. And that Dibanota KM at some point, I think it was 2023 KM. When was it?
You know how many times he mentioned you last week? Don't take that for granted.
I don't.
He believes in you.
I don't.
Makathatha ngigift yakho. Yeah, sakhula sonke kanti sophinde sihlangana apha eGauteng.
Hey.
You know,
KM dibene nami ngezo zithuba. Ngapha ndine-stress sika baby daddy.
yeah.
Ngapha ndifuna lento yomculo. I remember at that time, there was a friend of mine from the Eastern Cape who also believed in me, yabona. And I'm someone who likes to take chances. Okay? I take risks. So it told me, Eastern Cape ndayibiza ba mayizohlala nam, then we'll go to gigs, we'll try to find, like she was my manager at that point, but that relationship did not work out. But I thank God because I met Uta KM again. Sagqibelana phi e-primary.
Yes.
I was like, wow.
Ngelo xesha la uyamuruka sana. Uyasubmarina. Ufamba moyeni nje.
Ndifamba moyeni zichomi le manager ndithetha ngayo. Indifambisa moyeni kwayona because yafika yanjikela eGauteng.
Baby daddy.
Ufamba moyeni ngubaby daddy.
Baby daddy kaloku yona leyo uyasubmarina ngoba umbo wakho nafuneka ube under. Uyabona ngoba there's this child that you
umntana. So I was going through a lot and uThixo made sure ukuthi ndiyadibana uDa KM because I remember the first song we did, Ubuya Kimi. The first song we did was inspired by the situation ka baby daddy.
Bawufuna buye kuwe or wena usithi uyayinguye usithi buya kimi.
No, I was grieving the relationship. Lando buyithetha by a fear of the unknown.
Yeah.
I grieved it within the music.
Okay.
That is what I was doing. I had thoughts about yo kuzaba njani xa ndiphumile. Kuzaba njani.
And for sure, make sure ba apho you comfortable. Besides this the abuse thing, you're comfortable.
There were good. Everyone has a good
Yeah.
side. Everyone has a good side.
True.
So there were good parts of the relationship that gave me that hope. Uzawutshintsha, but the change never came. So umnanota KM, the day that we met, okay, sabhalelana ku Facebook. Qala bantwana ulapha ndilapha. Sa exchange numbers, and then he called me for a studio session. So that day ndixabene no manager. Yeva, manager uzama naye ukuya pha kwesi studio session because uvile ba ndiya kuDa KM. Yabo ndathi kuDa KM makangamphenduli because ansafuni ke at that point usebenza naye because hey bekusenzeka ezinye izinto.
Was it hard for you to confront her about that?
I don't find it hard to confront mna.
Okay.
I am a very direct person.
Or there was a friendship as well.
I'm a very direct person.
Okay.
So I told her I'm not working with you anymore.
Okay.
So wayezama indlela zobuya back. Yabona, ezama ungena ngoDa KM qonda. Ndathi Da KM ungamphenduli ngoba ndiyacela please. Mangayazi noyazi ba siphi studio.
KuDa KM ngoba ungumuntu ozilungeleyo Nkosi yami for sure ukuthi hayi mfowethu utheni uzondenza umuntu osilehe.
KM, I don't know. It's like we grew up together. I don't know. we just connected.
Yeah.
It was like Umdasekhaya.
Yeah,
I already
yeah.
knew he has my back and
Okay.
my best interest.
Mm.
That's what I knew from that day. And ukuya kwamphana sasiyorecord enye ingoma. Yayiva. Siyirecord ke le ngoma siyirecord but ndandingayifili imani le ngoma. Wafaka enye beat uta KM. Iyo ndaqonda yiyo le. Yiyo le beat man.
Yiyo.
Ndayifila ndaqonda le beat inenza ndifune ukhupha lento ilapha kum because what I knew was that I'm leaving this guy. But I don't know bakuzaba njani xa ndiphumile mhlawumbe ndizamfuna back mhlawumbe kuzakwenzeka ntoni.
Oh, elinye inyawo sewulikhuphe ngaphandle elinye lisesephakathi.
Uyayiva?
Oh.
Inhliziyo seyigqibile uba ndifuna uphuma.
Okay.
Yayiva?
Umzimba lo sephakathi.
So ndiyagrieve while I'm in the relationship.
Gotcha.
So uta KM wandiva ke ndicula during the beat. He was playing the beat. Wandiva ndicula wathi hayi suhamba him wayondenzela iqanda. Wathi suhamba
Uthi uzosela
ndenzela iqanda nesonga
Okay.
ngiphi drink
Yeke.
wathi itya qala sawurekhoda ngoku. And it was time for me to go home at that point.
And usahlala nalomntu.
Ndihlala naye and ndithe kuye
Uma Tyson Nkosi yami uzomthola ekulindile.
ndithe ndizawubuya ngo-10 u-10 ubethile funeka sirekhode le ngoma and I don't know, God was just doing something at that moment because i-lyrics ziyaflowa like something wanted to come out of me yabona athi ke hayi itya then sawurekhoda le ngoma hayi ke nditye nam sirekhode everything was flowing.
And this Mike Tyson, he doesn't know that side of you, isn't it?
Mm-mm.
Of you being a creative.
He knows I'm a
So
creative.
uyafika ngokufika sewuzana noma ndiyarekhoda.
He knows I'm a creative but
Not in action.
bengandisapoti.
Okay.
He didn't support that. Amanye amadoda nomona. Macinga sizawuthathwa umuntu once ube
Njalo.
famous
Yeah,
sizawuthathwa and all of this, you know. So he was not supportive of that side but ndandimxelela ubana ndiyaya.
Okay.
Yayiva? Epha.
Okay.
Hayi ke sirekhode nokuta KM ibe mandi ingoma la ngoma isuka emazulwini guys because it just happened like literally we took an hour to record that song. I-lyrics uta KM wayencedisa ke ba okay enza so ithi ngapha nangapha yabona hayi ke yadibana ingoma siqonda yes this is it. Ndagoduka hayi ke nda-explain of Mike Tyson bye studio session kaloku. But that night nothing bad happened that
Oh,
night.
siyabulela.
My
Because ndiyayicinga nje uba uzawufika ekulindile
Nothing
nge-boxing
happened.
gloves.
You know, those things were happening only when he's drunk.
Mm.
It was alcohol that used to fuel zonke ezizinto. He's never done izinto sober.
So uyazi uba naleyo isparile mhla eselayo uzawuqala ngayo.
Uzayikhupha mhlawumbi ngaloo mhla
Okay.
wokusela kwakhe yayibona. So after sirekhode le ngoma ke sayikhupha nota KM wayimixa wayimasterisha uta KM and then we put out the song. But at that time we did not have a structure in terms of how we're gonna market the song and put it out there and make it known by abantu. But it was a really, really good song. I really appreciated like meeting uta KM. I knew Thixo esenza into apha.
Amen.
Yayibona. So I applied for omnye umsebenzi because the work where I was working I couldn't afford to stay on my own at that time. Financially,
Yeah.
I was not at a point where I could find my own place back then. So I applied at another company and finally they took me. Yabona. Then I did ke ngoku escape plan yam while I was in the relationship. Remember ke ngokuba ndisahleka nomfana kusemnandi.
Was there a point where you thought of involving umthetho kule relationship for Mike Tyson?
I think that's the only time I thought about that was the last straw, the day that crossed the line. My son was living with us at this time. And what happened? Oh, I found out when he's cheating. He played a voice note by mistake of a girl. So I was asking him, "Hayibo ngubani lona? Cela uve, ngicela ubone conversation. Who's that?" Xa ndijonge efowunini kwi-logged chats. Hayibo, cela uvule. Ndiyacela ngicela uvule. Wavula umntu. Xa ndisithi
Ayinguye yedwa?
5 amangazana.
Hayi Jonas.
Amangara.
Jonas we.
5. Abanye bathumela imali, oh baby, obani. Abanye ke yi-colleague yakhe caba bayabana ke emsebenzini.
Jonas, exactly.
Hey! Yo!
So now so upakishile sowuplanile sowuyifumene indawo yohlala uyenzile i-research ngoba lo ngosizohamba ngeke kaloku sizothola iqhoks kaJonas.
Mamela
Negonorrhea.
ndiyifumanisa le nto kaJonas. Ndiyambuza ke ngokakuhle because I knew ukuthi if I raise my voice or speak in any type of uzawula so masithethe yintoni le ndingayenziyo like what's missing in our relationship, why are you cheating, I want to know like kwenzeka ntoni. Hayi anditshithanga mna hey walwa wanyuka umntu wazobetha mna yeva. Then I decided to take my baby ndiye kwi-neighbors because I did not feel safe yayiva because wayerage ke ngoku.
Ubumoyika.
I was not afraid of him xa sober. But xa drunk ndandiyazi no one can sleep futhi if ubuye enxilile.
So once aphume nje abisehli nobuthongo.
Hayi buzawuhla njani because ungena kwakhe everyone must wake up basically.
Sifunguvungu. Chingchana.
So I went to the neighbors. That's when I knew bana this is the last straw because now I was putting my son through unhealthy situation.
Environment.
So
And now you planting uba uzokhulela kule nto naye ngomsa ngavuka ekhaba abantwana babantu because that's
Uyayiva.
the only thing he knows.
Uyayiva into ayibonayo. And that day I decided, in fact, ndamthreatenish uba ndizawufonela amapolisa.
Yeah.
But he still continued with the abuse yakhe ngondithenza funa amapolisa. Ndiqonda you know what, let me take myself out of this situation because ndihleli ntoni nam. What am I waiting for? Uyayiva? Because I was supposed to be out a long time ago, but it was just difficult to get out.
I hear you.
Uyayiva? So at that point, I just took my son, ndafonela umama, ndamxelela what's happening. Ndamcela umama, mama, ngicela uzise umntana there, and then zawubuyela mna ngapha emsebenzini. I'll pay for isikolo, I'll pay for anything that umntana needs. I need your help right now because this is not working. Lo mfana wenza oku noku.
So ke ngoku sithandwa sam. Njengoba wena uhlala noJonas. Ingqondo yakho ndifuna ukunderstand ba i-Ariel zazihlala zimile uba saver.
Who? Hayi star.
Kaloku andithi uJonas accommodation is taken care of. Standard. Ukutya kuthenga standard. Uyamkhathalela umntana standard. Imali yakho wena.
In fact uJonas kaloku wayengu 50-50 nje sisiwam. So if yena ubhatele i-rent mna I took care of ukutya and the other stuff.
Ngoba kaloku eyakhe imali iya kula mankara.
Uyayiva? And some I've never even asked for money from him. Like andikwana namhlanje ucela indoda imali. Zange namcela ne-cent, and sometimes umntana needed stuff yabona athi akanamali and I had to go borrow mhlambe emntwini kanti umuntu unayo imali.
Because a reason that I'm asking you this, une-exit plan. But the exit plan ine-funding na. I'm asking this because uyatsho futhi kwawena uba uyatsho kumama uba uzawuzisa umntana, ufuneka umntana aye esikolweni, funeka umntana enento zokutya, enento zonxiba. Velaphi le mali?
Kaloku ndifumene umsebenzi womtsha ke ngoku.
Okay.
So
le salary yakho yokuqala yiyo ke ngoku
yiyo le bindijemisile. Nda-aplayela omnye umsebenzi, then things were so much better.
Okay.
So much better. Then ndaqonda mandigoduse umntana then ndizawubuya mna. But ke ngoku exit plan yamfuna ndibuyele phi kuJonas. Exit plan.
Okay.
Because mna ndikhayela indawo ohlala kaloku. And ifuna ndingajampisi uba ndikhayela indawo ohlala.
Nako konwatywe ngoku.
Yayibona?
Azothi mhlawumbi athi, I thought we were okay.
Hey!
I'm changed, man. You know, and it's just me and you now. We can do it in the bedroom and in the lounge. Because the baby is not here.
Uyayiva? Ndimgoduse ke umntana ke uJonas emane xa ingathi uba hayi nditshintshile ndiqonda you know what? Mna ndiyazazi uba I'm done. Ndibuyele. Ubuyela kwam ke ngoku that's when ndiqonda ndiyaseva ke ngoku.
Sana ke wenza njani ngoba kaloku lo Jonas i-emotions azikho apha kodwa uJonas umzimba uyawufuna.
Siyenza lo Jonas. Hoyi.
Prinya
Sometimes elifini funeka ube yi-FBI agent, ube yi-CIA, ube undercover. yayiva siyaqhuba siyahleka kumnandi
ngoba
noJonas
kukho icebo.
icebo lam lithi nge-1st of December ndiyaphuma apha ndiyalibona icebo I love you babe
Sabumfazi.
icebo in fact that in my heart of hearts ndaphuma ngona ndisenza laa ngoma yayiva ngona ndiyenza laa ngoma ndandigriva I was already grieving so 6 months later ndikulena ke ndifuna uphuma nyhani ke ndenza i-exit plan so ndilaa nto ke ndijonga indawo ndimane ndikhangela akayazi kuJonas uba ndikhangela indawo
uJonas he doesn't go through your phones.
no
Okay.
we didn't do that
Okay,
but
good.
yena that day wenza imistake yodlala i-voice note
Okay.
but we were not people that
Yeah, okay.
checked phones and stuff so ndikhangela indawo qho ngeweekend ndiyakhangela ndide
Uphuma
ndiyifumane
uthi uyaphi?
kaloku sometimes wayeba ndisemsebenzini akandiboni
Okay.
akandiboni ondibona like it came as a surprise to him that's what I know
God ke sana.
so ndijonge ke indawo ndiyifumane indawo ndibhatala i-deposit yabona and then nge-1st of the month I remember it was Saturday he was at work ndabiza itruck bayizothatha into zam and I wanted to leave ngendlela eright so I left everything that is his that he bought so ndandingenabhedi at that point but I told myself ndiyahamba I don't care
Awuthathi nebhedi le?
no I left everything ethengwe
Because
nguye
awufuni him having a reason ukuba makabe kutorture kulandele uba ufuna ibhedi yam.
Uyayiva?
Yeah.
andifuni into yakho ndifuna ezam so
Yeah.
I took all of my stuff ndanefriji i-couch into ndathatha ezam izinto
Kanti uJonas ngeli xesha uhlala naye wayengenazo nezi fridge.
uyayiva
Excuse me, I'm gonna sound like a typical I'm gonna sound like a typical woman right now.
yeah
Well, yintoni wawuyithandile kuJonas?
you know I was someone who always believed in true love I believed in the heart more than the things that were external akho nto
Wawuzibona unguBob the Builder wena ngela xesha.
wakho nto wayenza shem like ecaba
Wawubona wena inguwe uChris Brown noJustin Bieber yazi le ngoma yabithi will crawl,
uyayiva
will fall again.
uyayiva
Yeah, mina now like Beyonce and Jay-Z.
Beyonce and Jay-Z in fact ndandimotivator at some point uba makaqala ibhizinesi naye ndizamenzela iwebsite ndizanza so I thought we are gonna grow together basically but ke zange yenzeke loo nto so nge-1st ndapakisha kongokwam ndamuva ndayozihlalela that was the happiest day of my life and I just said thank you Jesus that ndiphume ndisaphila
Oh, sana.
because some women don't get
They
out
don't.
alive baphuma ngecasket
Abanye baphuma bangenamehlo okanye amazinyo. Oh,
ndisemhle
baby.
ndisaphelele
Oh, sana.
and I have a beautiful son I love my son and uthixo esenza amaboom because unyana wam pushed me motivated me uba ndingamfunanga at that point I would have given up on life maybe ngena ndibuyele Eastern Cape ndincame but because there was a son that I was blessed with ndaqonda hayi I can still make it I can still fulfill my dreams
Ezzy, what you're saying right now, my son's name uThubelihle.
wow Thubelihle
Wafika ngeThubelihle.
oh
Mna ke sana I've attempted suicides and everything. He gave me a reason to survive because
To
now there's this
live.
person.
to live
Thubelihle.
that's why kuthiwa abantwana yi-blessing abantu ba-external might not understand but you know you
So,
know the blessing that
Like
they are
I'm matched. I'm in sync to what you're saying. Ndathi nguThubelihle ngoba wafika where I was done with everything. So I had now this thing yokuba ndinalo mntana ndithi makathini mna xa ndigive aphile.
uzawuncama njani mfazi uzawuncama njani awukwazi
Oh, sana lwam.
Oh.
baby. uLeandro una 3 years ngoku ufuna ngaphi una 5 years.
una-6 he turned 6 ngomay
Oh,
remember it was 2019
2019.
yes so he turned 6 ngomay of this year and I'm blessed I know
So now ikati ke ngoku ayikho.
Ayikho
Uyimpuku
ikati.
ezihleleleyo.
I'm free.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
am free.
Okay.
And I took time. I'm even taking time now. Like I've been
Yeah.
single for 2 years. Ever since the Pumeko
Yeah,
Jonas.
yeah.
I'm taking time and healing.
Yeah.
And healing because and if when you
And
relationship
bleed on someone who did
and
not cut
bleed
you.
because if you are in a toxic relationship, you become toxic. There's no way you can escape that. I can't say kula relationship bendi perfect.
So you need to stim it off.
I ended up being toxic now because it was a toxic environment.
Of course.
Basically.
You are what you eat, but you are what you eat.
Yes. So ndaphuma ke relationship, it was a freedom. Yo, ndaphefumla. I was happy again. I tried dating, but it didn't work because
Trauma. And now chill toxic ngelo xesha.
I didn't trauma, guys. Ndiphe chance. And I decided to give my life to Christ that year, I remember. I just made a decision. You know what? Kudala mandizenzele izinto ngendlela yam, and they didn't work out. And I believe uThixo will make a difference in my life. So ndasindiswa, ndabaptizwa, and my life has never been the same ever since ndisindisiwe. Uta KM sizophinda sidibane ke ngoku this year, the beginning of this year. Yabona. Then we worked on Uthando Lwangempela. And we are busy working on an EP, my EP now. Like, do you understand how God works? God wanted me to get out of that situation because do you understand, Bana, if I was still with uJonasi, then these are uyanjani kwi-studio sessions because uyakwazi ubetha o-3 uba bendizawuphefoma njani, bendizawukwenza njani, benza bane-depression, ndiphele ndikhuphele ebantwini. So uThixo took time to heal me. Njengoba bendizihlelele ndedwa, he worked on me. Ndazibona ii-toxic patterns ebendinazo. Ndazibona, hayi man, I'm looking at life in a different way. Like I was thinking people are against me at that point. Wonke umntu. I thought they had an agenda against me. Everything is about me.
You were a time-ticking bomb. Around wena funeka ndibe kwi-actuals. Like now njengoba ngithi ungubani ke ndithanda nalo. Like uyandizonda.
Uyayiva benomntu onjalo.
Okay.
Overreactor, like hey. And then I saw myself. God gave me Lord chance yoba ndizibone ndizassess number, hayi man. This person has no bad intentions towards me. You understand? Akananondazi. Uyazithethela mos umuntu uyazijokela. Mna ndiyithathe serious ndibe ku 100.
Oh, thank God ndihlangene nawe so delay kodwa nobe ndizidlalela. Kube nale session nje seyonakele.
Let's stop it out ngalokusana. Uthini ufuna uninterview ngo7? Yaphuma.
Yes. You know, ndimbuza so nice bangibani igama lakho uthakanalo. Urude.
I was that person. Yes, and I got to see myself by man. I've been bendikhomba abanye abantu. But kanti ndim.
Oh, sithando sami.
The mirror. Everyone was a mirror.
Finally. Me not saying it and someone understands. Because this is not about me. But what I can tell you is I fully understand this relationship of yours. 100%. I hear you fully. I had to forgive myself. Going to the forgiveness.
Yes.
I said, Slindile. Because wawungekubali uba ngemini ethile wathi waphinde wathi if wena wawusukile phayana uyayi-understand uba nawe udlale indima. You stayed.
Played a part.
You stayed.
You allowed this.
You allowed it.
And you became this now.
You enabled.
Uyayiva.
Uye wayi-enabler uba makavum wamxelela uba no, this is our pattern, this is our life. It's okay.
You're allowed to do this.
So I had to go back and ask for forgiveness kuSilindile uba girl, yeah, ukwenzile ukuthi nokuthi. But do you understand uba wawuhambe from the beginning? Ubungeko ubale kangaka.
Oh. But nalomlilo had a purpose. It always has a purpose. Sometimes you need to make the mistakes to actually be protected from bigger mistakes. Yeah, I do believe like ipath yam yonke into eyenzeke ngesizathu. How I grew up and how I lost my dad, like yonke into made sense. Yeah, and I still motivated myself. Lento buyithetha ndazixolela kuqala. That now we are starting over. Now you can follow your dreams, baby girl. You are ready. You are ready to chase this. Yeah. So, nadibana KM again. I sapusha music, and what I love about Uta KM, he's always positive. He's always pushing. He's hungry for this. He wants this. And that is where I am currently. I need umntu energy. And ndimfuna into ozandisinda. Ububona into ezifani, uzibani what, but sifuna usingaye apha. Siyayazi uba sizele ntoni. We know why we are doing this music thing. So I'd rather focus on the positive side of things because earlier is none of my business. And it's a distraction from what is important, the goal. Uthixo gave me a purpose on this earth, and I am going to fulfill. You are bala. Unelinantsiki mnandi unsendele ingoma yelentuzane izolo yena. Inkosi. Sana. Inkosi. I'm sorry to say this now. Uthixo akanokuxolela if you don't show off of what he gave you. Andikwazi uhlala phezu kwayo. Andikwazi. I read this book that said there's actually no hell. Hell is the day you realize what you would have become. Akubonise uThixo into befuneka uyiyo. Akubonise a picture of what you were supposed to become. Asikho isihoko. Ndifuna ngesixhosa. Asikho isihoko. Isihoko, it's when you realized the opportunities wena watortured, self-sabotage. Ubomi bakho sophelile ke ngoku at that point. So ugugile, phela ubomi bakho, it's time to go to the other side. Yayiva uThixo yakubonisa ipicture about you were supposed to be a president. You were supposed to be a superstar. You were supposed to, you understand? So in negativity, don't allow it. There's a bigger picture that God has. Those people that hurt you are just a distraction, and the noise will always be there. Nobuyapi. The noise will always be there. Abantu bahlala bethetha. Don't do this to me. Abantu bahlala begxeka. Yazi kulo lento vele yathi. You just said to me right now, whatever Slindile oyifuna ukuyenza, if you're not doing it now, you'll regret later. You'll regret it. Time is moving. Time is not going to wait for you. Time is not going to wait for you. Thank you. So push, do everything. uThixo akabeki things in your heart for nothing. He puts them because he knows vision anayo ngobomi bakho. And he's the creator. So bayeka abathethayo. Focus on the light of God and follow it. Do what you love doing and uzawubona. Even this space, give it a few years, uzawubona wena. Into azayenza uThixo ngobomi bakho. He's got a plan. Yeah, besides God and uLeanda no mama, what keeps you going? Lamini. Xa uvuka ekuseni kunzima nonyathela phansi. Awufuna uvula mlomo wakho. It's gratitude. Gratitude is like the most important thing in my life. Like every morning ndivuka ndibulele ndithi, Lord, thank you that I am alive. Because there were points in my life, so many things. Remember I told you about izinto zawuphinda-phinda. There were so many points in my life where I felt like I'm about to lose my life. So I wake up and say, thank you, Lord, for my life. Thank you that I get to experience you. I get to live in your abundance. Sendiphila abundance. Abundance is not about the car you drive, the money you have, or izinto nazo. Health within your soul. No one can put a soul together. No one can heal a soul like God can. You can even attend the therapists. And find peace. Because we have these people who always talk about peace. Peace. I want peace. But are you a peaceful person? Are you a peaceful person? And peace uzayifumana kuThixo. It's a gift. Forgiveness is a gift because kukho abantu abangakwazi ukuxolela.
Oh, sana.
Peace is a gift because kukho abantu aba-anxious ehleli nje bayoyika yonke, and social media contributes kakhulu because we watch videos zezinto ezenzekayo ku-social media. You become an anxious person all the time because kwi-accident ethile kwenzeke tragedy ethile kuphi. So you become anxious.
Thina zi-Bolt and Uber drivers sibona ivideo
Yeah, you become an anxious person.
Yeah.
So peace is a gift. Life is a gift. So be grateful. Njengoba uzawutya namhlanje, be grateful for that meal. Ungabi na worry ngomso uzawuthini. Bulela, you are here, be present. And that helps me a lot to be present and not worry about the future. Because I trust in the now. I believe in the now. Enye nzayibona phambili. But now I need to live. I need to be the best that I can be to everyone around me, because remember, I carry the light of God. Ndikhanyisile. Ndizokhanyisa.
I just said to you, kunento vele athi when you telling me about hell. Usnera Mbitani yamazi? Has she met Usner?
Yes. Yes.
Did you read his book?
No, not yet.
He's saying what you're saying about presence.
Really?
Be in the moment.
Be in the moment.
Buy his book. It's 250.
I will.
It's the innocence in presence.
Who?
The present, it's the njengoba silapha, we are intentional, it's innocent, it's present. Asazi imiphumela yayo yintoni, but this is innocent and intentional, and we are in a moment, it's present. It's exactly what you're saying.
Who?
And I think that's what keeps me anxious and ndingakwazi ulala, ndingena peace. It's a fear of an unknown. It's a fear of tomorrow. It's a fear, I think, losing loved ones. Ndihlala ndinaloo nto uba I don't want my kids to go through this. I should prepare them. Ndiba nguThixo. I play God, but I need to ukondlalela i-future yabo. And I don't even know uba God forbid, oh God, why am I saying this? Why am I in this moment? Because now ndinalento uba mandibondlalele in case I die tomorrow. What if ndiyondlala? God forbid. And then kanti ndendlalela bona mna ndizilungiselelanga.
Uyayiva.
Bangahambi kulo mondlalo wam because Thixo uthathe bona. And then I lost myself in the process. I don't know why I'm saying this, but this is what I'm thinking right now.
That's true.
Because I always put them and what should their future be? While mna ndithatha zonke ezi bricks zikum. And then fumanise kube ezi bricks nje ndizincamathele apha. Permanent. Andizukwazi uzithatha back. Why am I thinking about this?
And you should live in the now, because awulazi ingomso. Asozulazi ingomso lizakwenzeka, but if you are present every day, life is a blessing. You need to enjoy life. You need to enjoy every moment and just be yourself and be the best version of yourself at every moment. Yeah, Eve. Worrying about the future.
This is not fair. I'm interviewing you here. This is not about me. Snap it out, Slindy. But this is beautiful.
Yes.
What are your plans? Jambubuyile nje girl.
Jen Bandi back in business.
Nchilo, yamnandi with this beautiful voice. What are your plans? Senjiba ungaguqa wathi ungagiqa amagula asifuna ukwazi your magic, but sikhalela ukwazi ba njengoba usithathe wasibeka apha esichongweni, what should make us be still with you? Why fanele sibe ngu-Team K every day?
Because the sauce, the juice, guys, come on. And what I know is I was born for this. Let's start there. That's what I know. But this is something that I was born for, and I tell myself every day, girl, you're a superstar. I already believe in myself, so that now uzokwazi ukubelieve kum. Uzobelieve njani kum if I don't believe in myself? Ndiyiphiwe le nto nguThixo, and I'm here to share it with the world. You understand? And my plans this year are to push my EP. Sisasebenza no KM. A lot is coming. Like a lot is coming.
Uthina endirobha ndisithi makamenshine 5 local people he would love to work with angakaza so yo nensendisebenze nabo noba menshina ndithe ongafisa ukusebenza nabo hayi kodwa K masingamshiyi ya ndithi mara usebenzile naye ya hey yababala kodwa naye
and that happens
and when he sent me the song I said okay it's fine K. Yeah it's fine I see what you meant ke ngoku
sidityaniswa ngesizathu. That is why that happens because we are meeting again at the right time. I-timing kaThixo yiyo le. And we both can feel that something is happening, like we are moving.
and nithu ningama-Joburg
Uyayiva.
so sebenzani
Suka
kakhulu
qonce.
understand
Qonce.
apha nizosebenza sidlala
Hayi siyasebenza thina. Si-ready, singo-ever ready.
ngoba anizukwazi uba nithi nihlele egoli nibe ngamatshipa ningagoduki okokoko kanti nihlalela into engekho yakho
Hayi siyasebenza thina yho.
funeka nifane namakapa ukuwava amakapa xa wegoli joking
So these izinto that we have plans
Yes.
about this
Yes.
year. This year, yeah. Ikhona ne-music video esizayikhupha, but I'm not sure
Silindile.
when.
and sesifikile mostake emkulanantsika yethu besilindile ne the streams yeah bethe shot inamba encinci and I saw he celebrated we are at 100 now yeah
100K.
yeah because last week
That
I
is the first
remember
song that I've heard that reaches
wathi
100K.
once sariche 100K
Mm.
sizakhupha i-music video silindile ke
Hayi lindani bahlali, lindani sisalungiselela nathi. So
Yes.
please be patient with us.
congratulations
Otherwise sizawucelebrate lo 100K. Mele simcelebrate guys. You're a milestone.
it's not easy
Hey, it's not easy.
it's not your people don't understand
It's not.
and the saddest part someone who has made million uzothi 100
Mm.
and I think ndiyitshilo le nto nakutake him last week ndathi there's a say kwi-last stand-up comedy ka Trevor Noah
Mm.
yazi honestly speaking I don't remember most of things but sentsho kuyo because ndasibukela sonke but nanamhlanje ndike ndenza what just because of bigger things are happening it doesn't mean that the small ones are not.
Yeah, Eve. The small things are happening and we are grateful. I thank the Lord for bringing me close to Ukta KM again. Siphinda sidibane, siphinda sisebenze. You understand? Because he could have worked with anyone. But naye ukhethe okay because he believes in the dream. Like, uThixo wenza ngamabomu, guys, animboni. Wenza ngamabomu. We are blessed. Yo. Hayi sibusisiwe, guys.
So ndiza kubuza nawe lo mbuzo. If you
Mhm.
were to work with 5 local creatives, ngobani ongarhalela usebenza nabo and then abroad mention another 5 that you would love to work with. Kaloku sithetha ne-superstar apha.
Okay.
And not just you wishing to work with them. I know they will wish to work with you as well.
Mm.
Ngabo bani ngicela i-local and abroad 5.
I would love to work with Mahu. She's a sweetheart and she's good at what she does. Nozinxumalo, ubuhle, ubuhle, babalwa bale ngaphi?
4. Okay, masithi 7 sokuxolela.
Uthato Hatsi, bano DJ Maphorisa noKabza guys ndiyanicela, yho. Legends.
Ayuqabile ka bayi-7.
Kelvin Momo.
Yachita ke.
And
Yes.
of course, like, I'm grateful for Uta KM,
Yeah.
guys. Yo, hi, undifakile ezintweni. I'm really grateful. I always prayed to God, Bana, can you please bring people that believe in me? I want to be in a
Aba
circle.
intentional.
Yes, I want to be around. In fact, ndacela istudio kuqala ukuthi ndathi jonga Thixo, ndicela uba sestudio, ndicela uba around
Ozofila
i-team.
safe.
I-team yabantu ababhiliva kum.
Oh baby.
So I'm blessed kwelo cala. And then abantu abroad ke Cardi B.
My girl, no.
Beyonce. Oh, I can look, guys, it's coolest bugalo Beyonce. Usiza. Kuba nomnye uRihanna. Oh, ba unobuyela kodwa because akasaculi ngokusisi wakho. Wenza imali.
What I know is, if you are a creative, you are talented, ungacula noma sewuhleli ku-wheelchair unodondolo
Uyayiva.
uthi no, but I'm not saying, but I think she's gonna come back, but it's
I
okay.
believe now. I
Andithi
believe.
abo Rihanna baba nalento ba work hard until you get into rooms where you shouldn't, you no longer introduce yourself.
Yes, and she worked hard.
Yeah.
Like, oh. And Drake. Drizzy Drake is
It's so funny. Askis, I'll keep on mentioning him. It's so funny how you and this person, you are so in sync. Because I mean, most of people you mentioned, more especially the locals, he mentioned them. I don't know whether hey, mara lo singasebenza lo yena lo and then that thing ibakoni no too. It's crazy because he did mention Drake as well.
Yeah, and I like Drake
and
was so versatile.
Abo Mahu, he did.
And Drake was versatile, guys.
Yes.
Uyakwazi nongena emapianweni, like
yeah,
anything
yeah.
you give to him, unesauce, unejuice.
Okay. Gqibela.
Who else? Oh my gosh. Hayibo njani. Who else? Guys.
Ulibala Chris Brown.
Chris Brown.
Akamthandi.
No, ndiyamthanda Chris
Okay,
Brown,
man.
but you know Chris Brown une-light yakhe man.
Okay, I see.
Uyayibona?
Okay, I see what you mean.
Asendimbukele.
Okay, I see what you
Yeah.
mean. But Beyonce is it's the same in Rihanna.
Hayi, but ndingangena.
Oh,
I see.
ufila lona ingathi uzobrighter kakhulu ugqibele wena neshadow yakhe ingabonakali.
Ndizabe ndibukela yena sana.
Ulibala
Hayibo.
ifocus.
Hayibo.
Yadika, yes. Okay, maybe a producer abroad. Khona umcingayo mhlawumbe.
Timbaland.
Oh, I'm so cold.
I believe he's so
Yeah.
creative, man, because he put on many artists. Hayibo, italente sayibona.
Yes.
Noko.
Are you open for bookings?
I am.
Can I ask you a crazy question?
Yes.
And you're allowed not to answer it if you don't want. But I want to answer. I want to ask. Sangalam ngoba umhle unansika like kule industry. Xa becela impura wenza njani for you to keep on not saying no. Keep on saying no because you're pretty. I want to put it out there. Umhle.
Thank you.
And bazoba khona kaloku machansana.
Mm.
How do you escape from that and be content in your craft?
Ibuyela kulaa nto ye-discernment. Because I've been through a lot. Now I can actually see lo mntu after impura and stuff. And I want more. I want more than indaba yempura.
Yeah. Okay. After giving you my impuras, then
And then
what?
And there's no foundation. Most guys, but most men are so used to getting impura so easily, you know. And I understand I want to get to know you. I want to, let's do stuff. Let's go out. Let's go on a date. You understand? So that's where I'm at. If a man is not willing to invest in me.
But at the end of the day, nalo uzobefunai.
If uyandithanda uzawulinda ixesha eli-right for
Okay.
impura. Akazondirasha, akazondipressurize. And I love myself. I know myself.
What's your take in this thing? Kuthiwa akekho umuntu o-patient njengomuntu ofuna impura kodwa engekho intentional.
Yayibona ke ngoku.
But naye kaloku uza kukhupha enze zonke izinto ezizifunayo kodwa manje sithi okusalayo.
Makalinda lokho sawubona phambili. Senje ndingulaa mntu ungawarishiyo.
Okay, so wena uthi abo easy come easy go. Kungcono nenze merry go around for a longest time than easy come easy go.
Yeah, I've been there, done that. I mean,
Okay.
azange yandisebenzela. So I just want more now.
Okay.
Yeah, bon.
As I always say to pretty girls out there, I'm sorry, uba le nto ndizayithetha kwi-city yam nawe, but I think it's more relevant because we are women.
Yes.
I always say, and I have a beautiful daughter, and guys, I believe, andazi noba losing parents ndimncinci iyandenza uba ndibe nale nto ye-anxiety zoba not living in a moment, right? In a sense uba ndihlala ndisithi, girl, you pretty. Girl, you've got igqe. And then what? And you've got boobies. Then what?
Then what?
Then, okay, you've got your gqe, you've got your breasts, you've got your pretty face. Then what?
Then what, Vietnam?
And I always sound so arrogant when I say that, but yeah. Then what?
Then what?
What else can we say about you?
Yes, that's very important. Yes, that is very
What
important.
else can we say about your character? What else can we say about your resilience and other stuff? So I hear you. A reason that
Yeah.
I hear you.
I just
Uba,
want more, guys.
Yeah.
Because I seen Lando. I seen and it's available very quick. Like it's available everywhere. So I just want more. I want.
It's accessible.
Yes, it's very accessible.
Shelfine.
Yeah, shelfine. Yeah, so guys. So if someone is looking for that, they can just go for it.
Yeah, man.
But as for me, in fact, I don't want to date around and play around and waste my time.
What's your take with this thing of Kutwe? We should be specific when we pray, and we must be willing to sit and wait.
I'm willing to wait. Like I've been waiting. Like remember, I told you I've been single for 2 years. So I've been working on myself internally so that when my person comes, I don't bleed on them. You understand? And I'm in a healthier mental state as well, and I can actually give.
So are you being specific to God when you pray the kind of men?
Oh yes.
I always say I struggled with dates for the longest time of my life. Because now we'll be on a date and then someone like, what kind of a person you want? And then depends, I want a patient man. And then now I'm navigating you to be this person that I mentioned. And at the very same...
So you can act like that person now. Because cheat is a test, basically.
Yeah, Ivan. And then utole aizo zakhe. So for me, those kind of conversations as na meaning.
Who they are rather than
asking me uba ndifuna njani bese wena uforced uba ngulo mntu loyo
for that specific time
because inantsika ke sana kuthiwa ikakade lihlala liziveze.
Uyayiva.
Do you believe in love?
I believe in love. God is love. I believe in love and the healing journey. I'm in like in the restored back. I can love again. I'm ready to love again. Like I believe in love, guys. It exists. It's just that I was meeting broken people.
Yeah.
I was also broken.
And it made it easy for you to forgive him because now you understood that he was broken or he is broken.
Yes. So I do believe in love because God is also love. I love my family. I love my mom, my son, love my friends. I even love my enemies. I love them.
Can you define the meaning of being a mom?
Being a mom. You need to be a nurturer first. And it's so natural with us moms. Like with me, I did not plan to be a mom at that point in my life, but I became a mom and I had to nurture my son and guide him and teach him what life uphilwa njani. Obviously, he's still young now. But what I consistently do is to motivate him and teach him to communicate. Communicate because even, umntana you cannot watch over them 24/7. Umntana uzawuba sesikolweni, umntana uzawuba kuphi kuphi. I motivate him to communicate.
Are you going to throw him tantrums?
Thetha. Because ukhala will not help you, Papa. Teta, speak to grandma, speak to your teacher, speak to the people around you. Yeah, understand? And I motivate him. I tell him that you are a star. You are the best baby boy in the world. I want him to know that I love him so much. Siyamthanda umntanam. Yo.
And then take me to that day when you had to leave him for the first time.
Every time I leave him, I cry. The first time I left, I was on a bus and he was crying for me, obviously. But yo, as I'm sitting on the bus, ndafumana memory ngoba esibuya ndimbambile. Now I'm going back alone. That was so painful. It's not easy. Life is not easy, guys. Because babek yangam, I would be staying with my son right now, raising him, dimenzela yonke into. Because, as a parent, you want to give your child the best, a better life. And that pushes me, Gengoku, to say, okay, Kanyisile, you need to go for everything that God puts in your heart, whether it's in business, whether it's in music, whether it's in your career. You need to now do everything so that you can take your son, umkhulisele apha kuwe, because it's not good for my son to grow up. It always pains my heart when I leave him. Even now, bendigodukile ngoMay because it was his birthday. And I stayed home for a week. And we celebrated his birthday. And I had to come back. It's always hard because we have a bond. Like, he's my best friend. Like, we have this bond. Whew. He's a blessing.
Masithethe ngoLeander Digitals.
Yes. So I started Oleander Digital in, was it 2020? Yes. I remember it was 2020 after I gave birth. Yes. And what inspired me...
And that's when it was a peak of COVID.
It was the peak.
The peak of COVID.
And at that point, there was a niche because people wanted to move online. Businesses wanted to move online. They need websites. They need... Abantu bafuna side hustles. Yabona. So, wow. Yazi, most of my clients were actually women. Most of them. I think I have one guy. But just the mere fact that I'm able to help other women to start businesses, to start side hustles, and coming from that abusive relationship that was holding me back financially, just being able to pour out and give to other women as well. Yayibona Lando. So what I do in my business, I do web design. I do SEO, search engine optimization for all Google. Okay? Let's say, for example, people are searching for your podcast. I will need to make sure keywords on the websites are there so that people can find your website. Yeah, Eve?
Okay.
And then we run Google ads nazo, Facebook, Instagram, like ads. So that is what I do basically. We also offer hosting because your website needs to be hosted, right? Yes. So that is what we do. Those are the key functions or services that we do at my company. And we are open, we are functional. So if anyone needs a website or any of these services that I mentioned,
you're the girl.
I'm the girl for that job.
And how has the business been so far?
In the ups and downs. In the ups and downs of business, it's unpredictable. But no 9 to 5, right?
Okay.
So I believe 9 to 5, we are in the because at least I have income. Stability. And also with the experience that I'm getting there, I feel like it's helping me even here. So it's like working together. So
you have this, because of it's a conflict of interest.
Not really.
Okay.
But I told them they are freelancer.
Okay.
Okay. I do freelancers on the side. So.
Okay. And then how do you balance now? You being a creative, you having a 9 to 5, you're a businesswoman, you're a star, you're a daughter, you are a mom, you're a soon-to-be wife.
Yo.
You're gonna soon be someone ofida okanye uphilisa the world.
Yes. And I'm also an inspiration to others.
Yes,
you know.
How are you balancing it now, and how are you planning to balance
in the future?
In the future, as much as we're living in a moment.
Well, right now, when you have peace within you run izinto zirana smoothly because awunayo le anxiousness, ifilisha like pressure behind you.
Mm-hmm.
So because I have that peace, I can actually manage a schedule and communication is key.
Mm-hmm.
It's key in business, it's key in relationships, it's key in everywhere. So I communicate with my producer, KM, I communicate umntanam every day ke. I call him every day. I communicate with clients as I'm on my side hustles. Emsebenzini, I'm there. I'm also a leader as well. So I'm training people. Communication ibalulekile, and you must be a peaceful person. I think that's why God is giving me so much now, because now I can handle it.
Yeah.
Because you can lose izinto ezinjena if you are not stable within yourself, So you need that peace to be able to do zonke ezi zinto.
But you know what I like? As umbrella nezi branches sifike kumuntu already owaziyo. I always say I don't like this term, but I'm a girl that I think I know I am. Thinking is not knowing.
You're still thinking.
No. You're the girl that you know that you are. You're a powerhouse.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm enjoying you. I could listen to you the whole day. And I always tell people that the nicest thing about me being a podcast host, I learn a lot. It helps me to see life in different perspectives. And it's so therapeutic. Trust me, it is. I don't care who says what. I'm talking about my personal opinions.
Yes.
I want to know, are you open for bookings? Where can we find you? Where can we find your craft as well?
Okay, I am open for bookings, and I created my own site.
Yeah.
It's kdiki.ldigital.co.za. So that's where you'll find my music, my socials, like a little information about me, my number, my email address. So that's where you can book me currently. It's kdiki.ldigital.co.za.
You feel like it, guys? That's where everything is there.
Yes.
Like we buy a folder, unpack. We are it. Unpack.
Everything is there.
Love it. Mrs. 100K.
Spotify, Apple Music, like zonke streaming platforms zikhona.
Yes.
KDiki. Follow me, guys. Spotify.
And guys,
Spotify.
Uyabona mfana behle lapha uthe book me now cause masendibiza uzobe usithi ndiyadura. Kanti uba uqala ngoku uyabhukisha siza kusizela sithi kodwa sisuka kuthi.
Ngani ngeniqala ngoku guys.
Definitely.
Book me now.
Definitely.
Book me now.
Sono sami inkosi ba.
Thank you.
Andazi noba ikhona into esishileyo, but thank you for trusting me with your emotions. Thank you for even trusting me uba open up about some things that other women are not comfortable to talk about. What I want you to know is the awareness in this. We are next month. It's a Women's Month.
Yes,
it's a GPV, a campaign awarenesses and everything. And I just hope there's that woman who's sitting there right now. Kungomgqibelo namhlanje uthi la kutshona ilanga izabuya la ndoda ndibese sigubhu sayo. Learn from this. Yabona muhle njani? It's not too late, sister. I know ngithanda ujoke, but on a serious note, thank you for this. It's never too late. You're not a failure. We know other women, they stay for the sake of lasting. Other women, they stay for the sake of coupling. Other women, they stay ngoba lokho kukhona amagama athethekayo emakhaya uba ududelwe ngujambasi, umabuye kwendeni and all of that. It doesn't make you who you are. Zonke ezo zinto ezo. And it's okay to say Ditiniwe. And it's okay not to be okay. You cannot. I loved when you said you didn't want to raise your child in a toxic place because of izoba iphethe into yokuba naye cinga mfama. That's how life is.
Yes.
So thank you for this.
It's only a pleasure. It's only a pleasure. Thank you for this platform because ngesingekho lapha without you as well.
Without him.
Yes. KM.
And nothixo.
Nothixo. So may God bless this platform as well.
Amen and amen. And I believe next time xa sesibuya apha sizobe sesingasa introduce ke ngokuba nguKatie ke lo. So besithi guys senginaye ke nami lo muntu lona ke nani nihlolo nimbona mina ke mina njengoba nina nimbona ema-TV mina ngihleli naye ke manje namhlanje sizona update ukuthi next week ke nasi bayibiza fill up the dome.
Oh yes.
Love it, man.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Man. And that's about economy. There's this question I always ask,
Yes.
but we are pendula dala, you know, the person who or retire.
I don't regret. I don't have regrets.
What would you want to say to yourself right now? If you was doing a spilling alone in the house.
I would want to say I'm proud of you, Kanyisile, Katie. I'm proud of you, and I know there's a lot in store for you. So be patient and open your heart to the things and the opportunities that God has for you. You know, that's what I would say to myself, that I'm saying to myself actually. And I also want to say thank you to KM. Oh, he's a blessing. He is a blessing. Like,
oh, you know, my Tomb in the knee.
Hey!
The intestine in the knee. Dating cow.
We are Eva.
Yeah,
he's a blessing in my life, and I want God to bless him now. Yeah,
amen.
Because he's impacted my life in a positive way, and he impacts a lot of artists. It's not me alone. You know, there's a lot of artists that he uplifted, that he worked with and put out there. So may God bless him too.
Amen.
Yeah, that's all I want to say.
If ngomso kuthiwa ke we're giving you 1 second utsho uba ufuna ukhunjulwa ngantoni ngoba ngoku siyakuthatha iplanet Earth sikusa planet Pluto.
Hayibo.
To be an alien.
Ndikhumbuleni ngenhliziyo yam. Inhliziyo yam is who I am and what I speak and what I sing. You understand? Is how I express myself and my aura, my personality, my character. Remember me by my heart, because I'm sure now we are So remember me with my heart, basically.
Of course. And thank you so much. I need to put it on camera, on records. Thank you for getting my I want this name. Okay, it's gone. It's as cool. But thank you for me, whatever that I said, you didn't take it personal.
Yeah.
Maybe you notice Thank you for
that's how I took it. Now we are joke.
Thank you for that, because and everything. And now sometimes timing better because I didn't even give myself a second to get to know you. But as jokes but I'm learning something there. But thank you for that, because
it's a pleasure, because Nama understood you first before you said anything.
Yeah, okay.
I understood that. Okay.
Then I'm glad.
Yes,
guys. Hamba kuma digital platforms. Hamba uyo check at the craft. Kuthiwa nkilo mnandi lonto. And I wish I could say it in English, but then chilo, it's beautiful and nice and tasty of delicious in translation of English.
Mabayo stream abantu, guys. Uthando Lwangempela is on all digital platforms right now. Go stream.
And we're waiting for the video.
Yes, it's coming.
Okay, cela univalele i-podcast yami. We're done. Cela univalele. Anything is a creative. Anything.
Words?
Anything.
or a song?
Anything that comes in your mind right now, we're open.
I've been so many places in my life and time. I've sang a lot of songs, came up with some bad rhymes, acted out my life in stages with 10,000 people watching. But we're all now, and I'm singing a song to you. All right, people, catch me on the streaming platforms and my socials. This is your girl, K-Tiki.
Oh, God. Man. Thank you. Woo.
What's wrong? Hold my hand.
Thank you.
What are you feeling?
Yes, sis. I understand now.
Thank you so much.
Life no be straight line. Unscramble life whiskey. Come tell your story, be free. Yetewo, yehu, wabrabonu yeden, and so healing. Unscramble life whiskey. No shame, just clarity. From broken pieces to peace, we dey heal, small, small, we dey breathe. Everybody get a story where them hide, smiles outside but tears inside. Waka said be strong, don't cry, but pain, no, they listen to pride. Bra, kasa, mayente, ukuma munsemina. Enya, unkwana wote, we all dey fight something inside. No judgment, no disguise, just truth under open skies. Piece by piece we go rise, healing no be overnight. Unscramble life is sleep. Come tell your story, be free. Yetewo, yehuo, wabrabonu yeden, and so obeying. From heartbreak to second chance, from silence to finding voice. Every scar get meaning inside. Every soul deserve a choice. Sleep there or retail, not to judge but understand. Take your time, speak your truth. You go rise, just take a hand. Bit by bit, day by day, light go find you on the way. Even darkness no go stay. Hope they come, make you no fear. Oh, oh, oh. Unscramble life we see. This be where you find your peace. From confusion to release, you are seen, you are free. Tell your story, it matters.